Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to dismiss a group admin in WhatsApp Web. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and log in to your account. Step 2. Go to the desired group chat by selecting it from your chat list. Step 3. Click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen to access additional options. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, click on Group Info to view the group details. Step 5. Scroll down to find the Participants section, where you'll see a list of group members. Step 6. Right-click on the desired admin's name to bring up a context menu. Step 7. From the options, click on Dismiss as Admin to remove their admin privileges. And there you have it. You've successfully dismissed a group admin in WhatsApp Web. Remember, only group admins have the authority to perform this action. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.